Right. So you've been sending a shitload of DMs and now you're starting to get some bites. If you haven't been sending a shitload of DMs, go and send a shitload of DMs and then come back to this video and then you'll be ready for the next part. So if you have been sending a shitload of DMs, like I asked you to, you're going to get to the point where some girls are going to start saying, yes, I'm interested, I want to hear more, etc. I'm aware that a lot of the responses are going to be, go away, you're a scam, who are you, I don't know, stop being a creep, etc. And I'm also aware that 49 out of 50 messages are probably not even going to get seen because they're just tucked away in like a request part of the girl's inbox. So that's why you send a shitload of messages. Quick hack, if you respond to a girl's story, she'll see that response straight away. So if a girl like posts a story and you respond to that, then you can swoop in, bam, send you a pitch in there, and maybe she might take it, who knows. But anyway, we'll keep it simple for now. So you've been sending a shitload of DMs, and some girls are going to say, I want to hear more, or I'm interested. So what do you say?
Hey, I'm Bjorn Olsen from YourOFEmpire.com, owner of the OnlyFans Empire, an OnlyFans management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. No office, hence the different hotel rooms and all my different videos. Check us out at YourOFEmpire.com or at YourOFEmpire on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get back to the video.
That. Well, I thought I'd write it down for you. You're not going to send capital letters because you don't want to scare the girl off. I just wrote in capital letters so you can see it on my shitty camera. I'm aware that there's echoing and the lighting shit and the camera shit and the microphone shit and it's all shit or whatever. I just saw a need for like some real value in these videos. I noticed that a lot of the YouTube videos being put out in this space were like kind of just short, flashy videos, but not telling a whole lot. I felt like they were wasting my time in a lot of cases. And I felt like a lot of the more juicy details were intentionally or not being gatekept behind like paywall communities or courses. So I just want to put some value out there so you whippersnappers can go and replicate what I've done. Full disclosure, I do have a course, but I can tell you right now, the videos I'm going to be putting out on this channel are going to have more info and be more helpful than like 90% of the courses out there. And that's going to be free. I'm not even exaggerating when I say that because I purchased most of the courses when I was getting into this. And I'll tell you right now, some of the courses out there are shocking. I remember purchasing one course. It was a guy sitting in his computer chair. It was like some pink lighting, and it was like 5 3-minute videos. Actually, a few of them were like 1.5-minute videos. And I remember watching one of them, and it went for like 2.5, 3 minutes. And I remember at the start, and he goes, right, this is a big topic. We're going to split this into 3 sections. So first, you got Tinder. And what Tinder is an app that you use, and some people use it to date, and you swipe left. Dude, like half of the video was just him explaining the app. And that was like meant to be one of the chapters. It was just shocking. And I was like, oh my God, there was like $500 for this course. But anyway, so yeah, I just felt like there was a real need for this kind of stuff. So just bear with me as I put out more content. You'll notice the lighting and shit will start getting better. But for now, you're just going to put up with it. But we'll be keeping this. This was not to try and cheap out or as a lack of resources. I intentionally went out of my way and got this because I remember when I went to school, I learned best when the teacher was just writing on a good old-fashioned piece of paper right in front of me. Everyone will learn differently, but maybe this might be the way to go. We'll find out. Anyway, so back to it. So you've been sending a shitload of messages, and now you're starting to get some bites. Some girls want to know more. So what do we say next? Next, here's what we're going to say. As I said before, don't write it all in capital letters because you don't scare the girl off. But I wrote in capital letters so you can see it on your screen. Okay, awesome. So the biggest mistake that girls make are not knowing how to sell their content and selling themselves short, which is 100% true. Look, how many girls do you see like having $3 subscriptions thinking, oh my God, it's like $3 Halloween sale. I can't believe I'm gonna get all these subs. You go on there and they're selling content for like $2, $5 nude pics. It's like, man, that reminds me of like going to Kmart or Walmart or something. You know, if you buy like a $3 keyring and you walk out, do you think much of that keyring? No, you don't, because you only pay $3 for it. Well, anyway, that's what's happening to your nude pics, ladies, so don't do that. Anyway, so, okay, awesome. So the biggest mistake that girls make are not knowing how to sell their content and selling themselves short. Like, your body's a unique asset. People will pay a premium to see it. Well, I've taken my experience in e-commerce and applied it to OF. Now I'm killing it with my clients. So I'll automate 100% of your account, from marketing to chatting, and all I'm going to need for you to do is upload content each month. We manage 100% of your account, and we split everything down the middle. We get you doing 1K a day, and we go 50-50. Simple. Would you like me to go on? So notice we're subtly trying to slide in the 50-50 split. There are different opinions on where to start with the percentage arrangement when you're starting out. I'll make another video on that, but for this, 50-50, because I strongly believe stick to your guns when you're starting out. But anyway, that's for another video. So I'll automate 100% of your account for marketing and chatting. All I'm going to need you to do is upload content each month. Get them feeling like they're doing nothing. Because, I won't generalize, but a lot of people just want to do nothing. Passive income seems to be a buzzword going around. So this is the closest they're going to get to upload content each month. We do everything else. We split. Sounds pretty good. But people are going to get scared off when you say 50-50. So we're just going to subtly put it in there. We manage 100% of your account, and we split everything down the middle. We get you doing 1K a day, and we go 50-50. Simple. Would you like me to go on? Yes. Do you have time for a quick phone call? No, don't do that. How many people do you think are actually confident enough to get on a phone call these days? I'll tell you what, like 99% of people I meet get so much anxiety at the thought of getting on the phone. You're just adding another wall for you to get past in order to close a goal. So don't do that. I've seen a lot of pros out there saying, let's just jump on a 15-minute Zoom call. Could I just get you on a quick phone call? Dude, like, you're targeting like 20-year-old girls in some cases. They do not want to get on the phone. Like, people are shit scared of phone calls these days. So we're going to keep it to messaging. And the beauty of this is you can snag their email while you're at it. So the follow-up message we're going to send, okay, fab, what's your email? And I'll send you through a rundown of what we do exactly. And if you like what you see, then we'll get the ball rolling. Sound good? We'll try and get another yes out of them. Sound good? And at the same time, you get to snag their email, because if they don't follow through with this partnership that you're offering, with the service that you're offering, if they don't follow through, keep their email in a spreadsheet. In my course, I've got a whole bunch of spreadsheet templates. I capture everything. You don't want to leave any data to waste. So you're going to capture their email, and if they don't follow through with this, just keep pitching them down the line. Hey, I just got a new offer. Hey, I've got like a deal this month, whatever. So you're going to shoot them through an email with a link to the contract that you've already set up on the Google Docs. The email is going to go over a rundown of everything you do in more detail, have the link at the bottom, and then if they like what they see, they can click the link, sign, send it back to you, and then you follow through, send them an onboarding email. In some other videos, I'll go over the email exactly. I'll go over the contract in more detail, how it's set up on Google Docs and that. Same with the onboarding letter. But this is how to close. So remember, no phone calls. You're just making it harder for yourself. And also, just a quick side note, these days the word contracts seems to be a little intimidating, so often reword it as like service agreement or something like that. But I just wrote contract because, look, I'm running out of room. So anyway, if this video helped you, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and stay tuned for more.